So, are you all hydrated? You're drinking enough water, right? What would happen if you didn't drink water? Yes, that is what we will be discussing in today's session. Before that, so if you are here for the first time, then I should introduce myself, right? So, hello everyone, this is Surabhi, a master teacher of chemistry at Vedantu. Welcome to the session where I'll be telling you what happens if you don't drink water. So, what would happen if you didn't drink water? So, I'm sure so you must have had this question. So whenever your parents have forced you to drink water, right? So whenever I see people, so there is this one of my friend. So the first how he converse is, we usually greet each other, right? Like, hi, how are you, what's up? So his first question will be always like, are you hydrated? So I didn't realize its importance, and then I was like, he reminds people to drink water. So I'll be busy working, and if I haven't drank enough water, so as soon as I see his message, I'm like, yes, you need to drink water, Surabhi. So that's a very nice reminder, I feel. So what would happen if you didn't drink water? So what happens? But before that, wanna join us and gain 100% knowledge and 100% marks? How? So unlimited live classes with fun and high level quizzes. Where do you get to attend unlimited live classes with free micro courses and crash courses, more than 5,000 micro courses where you can compete with the kids throughout the world? Yes. So even if you couldn't attend the live session, when you're watching the replay also, what if I tell you you can still play the quiz and can be on the fastest finger list or on the leaderboard? So all you have to do is just visit the link given in the description box and in the pinned comment. So choose your grade, board, the usual steps, and click on the get subscription, but do not go for 6 months one. So 1 or 3 months would be better. So where the only place where less is actually more. Yes, so more classes you need to pay very less price. So that is it. The coupon code is SURPRO, people. Okay. So we all know, right, that we are made of water, and water is very important. So what happens when there is no water? What happens if there is excess of water? So we have read about it, but what happens to our body if you didn't drink water? That's a very important question. So what would happen if you didn't drink water? So the average human is between, basically we are, I'm not saying we contain, so is between 60 to 65% water. Lungs is like, it's like apple, whatever the juicy content is there, no? That is how water, 86% water. Blood may 92%. So even bone, which seems so dry, right, it also contains water. So the average human, like every body, tissue, cells, organ, am I right, they contain water. So our body is basically 60 to 65% an adult. And when it comes to babies, no, so being 75% water, they are basically swimming. So like this. So this is how I swim. I can't swim. I'm very bad at it. So if someone pushes me to the water, this is how I'll be struggling. Yes, back to the point. So we are essentially made of water. This is the point which I wanted to deliver. So role of water in our body. So why water is important? So how much do we need to drink to stay healthy? So it depends on your weight, and like you a kid or an adult and all that, but on average 5 to 8 liters of water is a must. So lungs are similar to an apple, as I told you, 83 to 86% of lungs is basically water. The H2O in our bodies, they work to cushion and lubricate joints, to nourish the brain and spinal cord. So water is very, very important. So if you're not drinking enough water, you can actually see it. So if the internal organs are not working properly, so you can actually see it right outside your skin and the eyes, the dark circles, nothing works well. So even seemingly dry human bones are 31% water. Bones made water? Did you know this? So they are essentially made of water. So you might be thinking, why ma'am is teaching biology? Water is basically So this is not at all about a subject. So that's what, I have, like, I have seen people who don't drink water and who fall sick because of this, and their skin, so acne prone skin, they get pimples because of that and all that. So I wanted to make sure that you are drinking enough water, and through this video, so we want you to drink water and stay hydrated. So it is not related to subject or chemistry, no, it's just an informative video. So why we need to drink so much water? See, so it's not like intake hoga to outtake. So it is even going out, right? So every day you lose almost 2 to 3 liters of water. So if you're only drinking 1 liter or 2 liter, then how do you balance it? So sweating, breathing, urination, right? So you are losing almost 2 to 3 liters of water. So obviously your intake should be more than that, right? So maintaining a balanced water level is essential to avoid dehydration and overhydration. So overhydration isn't good either. So dehydration is not at all good. This everyone knows. See, whenever we are sick, right? We have fever, or the first symptom is the dehydration. So even the doctors, they will tell you, and so you will take that ORS or the lemon juice and all, with the, or add salt and all that, to make sure that you are hydrated, because water is very much necessary. So you should not be dehydrated or overhydrated, both are not good. So it should be balanced. So what happens when water level drops? An anti-diuretic hormone releases and reach kidneys. That means, so it is informing kidney that, because that is where excretion takes place, right? Am I right? Yeah. So there will be purification, and waste will be stent and urethra and all that. I'm sorry, I'm not very good at it. I don't remember, but I do remember a few points, nephron and all that. Yes, I know this. YouTube, the collecting tube. Yeah. So there the water will be reabsorbed. So because of this hormone, so it is informing kidney that, see, the water level is very less, so we need to absorb a lot of water. So your urine will be more concentrated. See, normal urine and the concentrated one. Okay. So can cause notable drops in energy, skin moisture, and blood pressure. So if you are dehydrated, as I told you, it is very noticeable. So if I am not drinking enough water from maybe past 1 week, so if I go stand in front of a mirror, I will know. So repeat, this is because you are not drinking water. So please, people, drink lots of water. So dehydrated brain works harder to accomplish the same amount. So obviously, bichara, it has to do its job. So even though brain does not have enough water, even though it is dehydrated, it works harder than the normal hydrated one, and temporarily it just shrinks, because that's what happens, no, when you are dehydrated, or when your cells are dehydrated. So over hydration or hyponatremia, so it is basically the Na electrolytes is there, no? So you will have Na plus and K plus ions and all that. So the dilute, because of the over hydration, so there will be dilute sodium electrolytes in the body, so it will allow the cells to swell, which is also not good, and this condition is what is known as hyponatremia. So the amount of water we need to imbibe depends on our weight and the environment, because if you are living in kind of the cold regions and all that, so I don't think you need to take a lot of water, but especially if you are in the regions where it is pretty, there is high temperature and all that, so of course you need to take a lot of water, because you will be losing water in the form of sweat and all too. So please, based on your weight and environment, drink enough amount of water and stay hydrated. I don't know how many times I have already told you this, but it is very, very important. And not only water, see, if you are taking fruits, if you are eating fruits, it's actually better than drinking water. Okay, so because more than 90% it is just water, and it provides nutrients as well. So make sure, I know we all love pizza, burger, trust me, I am not the person who eats fruits and vegetables every single day, but as I'm growing, so I am realizing how important it is to our body to have a proper diet. So please include fruits and fresh vegetables in your diet and stay healthy. So what are the benefits of drinking water? Healthy skin. Who doesn't want good skin? Boost energy, better exercise, cures aches and pains. Body is 65% water, helps weight loss, better digestion. Kidney health is also very, very important. So it lowers the chances of the stroke, helps to manage diabetes and reduce the risk of certain type of cancer. So for all these reasons, it is very, very important to drink water. So from today, I will start asking you, are you hydrated? Just let me remind, or you can ask your friends or me once I am live in the session. So let me know. So let's all drink enough water and eat healthy food, and let's live a healthy life. So these are the long-term benefits. As I told you, improves skin, prevents acne breakouts, increases energy levels, maintains digestion properly, promotes weight loss. So this is it from my side. People, do not forget to drink water. Thank you so much, and if you have any doubts, you can always let me know. So you can see my mail ID. Not yet. Where is it? Okay, so this is it, and the coupon code is SURPRO. If you want to take up the pro subscription and don't know why, then let me just tell you. This is for the students who have just entered. So you can take up the pro subscription for 1 month or 3 months. So more classes you take, so obviously you will be paying the lesser price. And why? So you will get unlimited live classes, recordings as well, where you can play the live quiz and can be on the leaderboard, and you will get the downloadable handwritten notes of your master teacher. Tests will be conducted regularly, and assignments will be shared with you regularly too. So thank you so much. Till now it was Surabhi. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you.